Don't get us. Don't get us.
We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation. We motivated, got motivation.
Today I'm gonna do a quick video, as I promised you. Today I'm gonna show you, piggybacking off of my last video, how to put the price tags on the actual hang tags. So stay tuned. But before we do that, I need you to stop right now, turn on the notifications, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on none of the good content, because in my next video, I will be giving up a brand new vendor that I just tried out, and I'll be doing the unboxing and everything. Is really exciting. You won't want to miss it. Okay, so let's get right to it, Alright, so I don't know if y'all remember, but in my last video, we created a bunch of hang tags, DIY. So here's some of the ones that we created in the last video. I got that one, got this one, I got that one. Really clean and nice. If you don't know how to make these, go back and go to my last video and I'll show you actually how to make these yourself. So we got those. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the price on the back, because when you're at events and stuff like that, you don't always want to have to shout out the price of every single item that you have, because honestly, I don't even remember. So with that being said, you want to make it really convenient for yourself and just go ahead and have the price tag on there, so when customers look at your item, they can be like, oh, they know exactly how much it is. I even go ahead as far as putting the size on my item, so I don't have to guess like what size it is. So it's really convenient. See, so this is like a finished product here, has the size and price and everything, so that if I'm at an event and the customer wants to know like how much something is, I don't even have to guess. I can just, it's already on the tag, they see the price, they see it, and it makes it really more convenient. And you don't want to write it on there by hand, because that just looks really tacky and it looks unprofessional. And you don't want to also use the 99-cent store yard sale stickers, because those actually take away from the quality of the tags themselves. So the easiest way to do it, I'm going to show you in just a few seconds, and it's really simple and easy. For this project, you actually don't need a lot of supplies. You just need basic things like a pair of scissors, your computer, your printer, and these 30 up label sheets. And I'm going to show you how it's all done. So when you buy your 30 up labels, there should be a template that comes with it that you can create your labels with. I purchased the Avery 30 up labels, and with this one, they give you a website here. Go to averytemplates.com and use 5160. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So I'm on averytemplates.com. I'm gonna go ahead and type in 5160. And there you see it's popped up here. So I'll go ahead and click on that. Then you go ahead and click on Start Designing, so you can design your labels. First, you're gonna go ahead and click here on Create Account. Then you're gonna enter your email, first name, last name, and a password. I'll go ahead and do that. Once your account is created and all set, it'll bring you to this page. So the first thing you need to do is click on this here, this horizontal template, and click select this design. Then you go here in the corner to edit one, switch over. Then you will go here, click in the middle again, go over to the text box and go to add text box. Now that you clicked on add text box, then you can enter all of the text that you want to put on your label here. For instance, I'm gonna put size, and then I want it centered, and then I'll highlight it, and then I'll make it bold. And then I want the font up a little bit, so I'll go to about 16. Okay, and then I can move it around here. See, it has the line, so it can be centered. I'll move it up a little bit. Then I'll click back in the middle, go ahead and add another text box. Then I'll go ahead and put the price. Okay, so I want the text for the actual price a little bit smaller, so I'll go ahead and highlight that. And then I'll go ahead here and make it 13. That's cool. And I'll go ahead and move that up a little bit. Oh, I forgot to actually put the letter size, duh. Okay, so let's do that. Let's go ahead and add the letter in there. This will be a size medium. Now you don't have to do it exactly like mine. You can style it however you want. If you don't want to put the size on there, if you do, if you want to put the price, however you want to do it. But this is the basic way how you create the tag itself. So if you would like to move all three of these at one time, so what you would do, you click on one, hold shift, click on the other one, with shift still being held, click on the next one and still hold shift, and then you'll be able to move all three at one time, or however many you click on. So I'll just go ahead and move that up because you can actually do multiple on one. So let's see. So let's copy this one and then let's paste it here. And the way I copied and paste with, I just right clicked on this and then right clicked again to paste. Then we're gonna send that one there. This one will be copy, paste. Okay, let's go ahead and move this down here, centered. Then we're gonna make that a different size, make that a large. And then we'll go ahead and duplicate this, paste, move it down. And remember, I'm just right clicking and copy and paste, just the basic simple copy and paste. This one looks a little uncentered, but yeah, okay. All right, and then we have two tags here. Let's change the price on this one for $50. Okay, now you don't have to fill up your whole page. If you only have a few tags to do, you can definitely just make a few of these price tags, print out the ones in that position because you see the positioning here of the tags, and then you can go on about your day. In this little box, you can pick the position of the label that you want to choose. So like I was saying, if you used up these first four, then you know the next time you go, continue on with these next ones. So it makes it really seamless so you don't make any mistakes and you don't have to waste anything. So now that you have it all, see I'm here. So now that you have it all set up, you can go ahead and preview print. And it'll show you exactly how it's gonna show up, okay? So I'll go ahead and print it myself because I don't want them to print it for me. I want to print it myself. So print yourself. And then what you'll do, you'll make sure fill direction, that's all good. You don't really have to mess with that too much. Print specific labels. If you want them to just print this one, then you can let it know here. So you would say 1 to 1. Here from 1 to 1, and see it only selects this one label that I want to print, okay? So then I'll go ahead and go to down here and go to get PDF to print. And then I go to save. And I'll go ahead and save it as that. Go ahead and save, and now I'll go ahead and open PDF. And see, now here is my PDF ready to go. So now I can go ahead and put the paper in my printer and do a test print. Print icon. Once you get to this page, everything should already be set up. Just go ahead and select your printer. And go ahead and print. Well, I'll do black and white because they're only doing black and white, but print. And let's see our finished result. So I went ahead and grabbed it out the printer and look what we got. Perfection. It's perfectly aligned, right in the middle. So now it's time to cut it down and see what we got. All right, so now I got my scissors and everything. Got my price tags ready to go. Got my labels. So this is the easy part. So literally, you just take the label off. Here, take it off. And then you cut it down to the size that you need it. Make sure it's centered. And there you have it. Boom! Oh, I hate the glare. Sorry about the glare. You can see that. It's on there. Looks really professional. What I'll do, I'll just take a picture and I'll show it at the end of the video of the finished product because the glare is really bothering me. So that's fine. So, but with this one, you do the same thing. See that one? Then you go ahead and just center it in the middle. And there you have it. It looks really nice and professional. Got the tag on there. Price, everything. If you want to make it the font a little bigger, or if you want to add more details or whatever, it's up to you. But this is the surefire, easy way to have professional looking price tags. I'll go ahead and put those pictures at the end of the video. But if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe like I said in the beginning. The notifications on. Make sure you don't miss on none of this content because y'all want to get this content right. Y'all want this info right. I'm dropping gems. I'm dropping gems out here. Y'all want gems, right? Okay. All right. I'll see y'all next time.